Kiewitz. All right, so this was a great install. Super cool experience. It was a couple days, a week ago. Car collector. Just a cool friggin' couple, man. Architect is he, engineer is she. Very meticulous about placements. But the coolest one is what happened today. There's this super cool mobil. It's like a Calder, you know, kind of a take on the Calder. And such an interesting placement, right? Just because you can see, so we're up here on the main and you could see right now, it's such a cool idea. So they wanted, there's monofilament up there with like a custom bracket or a custom nylon bolt. So just fun times. I had to set up a platform across with structural LVL micro lamps. But man, what a cool experience. Anyway, I'm out.